It's been a while since I've done any sort of tool review, and frankly, it's long overdue. I found as I acquire more paint in my journey becoming the ass Ketchum of... Did I say ass Ketchum? I meant to say Ash Ketchum of gunpla modeling. Honest to God, sometimes you gotta mix paint, and it's a big pain in the ass. When you get a number of paints and you gotta mix at times, that's a whole lot of shaking. I decided to check out a paint shaker for the hell of it, simply because why not? Somebody needs to do these sort of reviews. And in a sense, other people have done the reviews before, now that I think about it. But they're not me. I could sell you ice in Alaska. But to be real with you, the Robart paint shaker is okay at best. Frankly, from what I am to understand, it could possibly be a nail shaker that was originally made for nail polish that's just been, repackaged to be a paint shaker. So you could theoretically get this for $16 rather than $33 or more depending where you buy it. I can honestly say it seems to be more effective when the paint is already, pre-thinned. If you do it in the normal bottle like this here, the Gaia Notes, it really doesn't make much of a dent, honest to God. It shakes at about 5,000 shakes per minute. Sounds like a lot, but it doesn't feel like it's doing a whole lot to me. At one point, I even decided to basically shake some paint up myself to see if I could actually mix the paint faster than the paint shaker itself. And truth be told, I was capable of doing so. It took around 2 minutes. But here's the thing. I think what you're paying for here is convenience, if you will. Who wants to sit and shake paint themselves for 2 minutes straight? After a while, your arm will get tired, unless you're used to the shake weight. Why didn't I attach this to a shake weight and see what happens? Forget it, and that'll be for another time. As I said before, definitely something you're paying for the convenience. That way you can plop it on, shake it up, leave the room, set up the rest of your paint crap, and then by the time you're ready to spray, it'll most likely be ready to be used. At this point, it's determined by you, essentially. Do you feel you need something like this? Is it worth paying the $30 for this slight convenience? On top of that, since this thing shakes to all hell, there is a shot that one day it will mechanically fail. When that is, the hell if I know. Because I don't use it that much myself these days. I pop it out once in a blue moon. But honestly, as far as I could tell, it's not that amazing. It's really just a convenience. And if you are trying to maximize your time, then it might be worth it. But if you also want to save money, buy the nail version because it's the same thing. It's just repackaged.